Hi, I'm so excited to share with you today. A new year comes with a fresh start, full of possibilities and untapped potential. What do you want to cultivate more of in your life? What valuable lessons did you learn that you'd like to carry forward into the new year? What do you want to create for yourself, your loved ones, and the world? For those of you that don't know me, I'm Melissa Gill, and you can call me Melly. In this video, I'm sharing with you what conscious living is, why it's important, and how you can significantly improve your life and the lives of all those you touch. This way of living has helped me shift into more presence, clarity, trust, ease, and joy in creating what I want in my life. It's helped me gain more self-awareness, confidence, self-discipline, and momentum to go after my dreams, all while balancing work, life, and family. I'm a lot of things because I'm multi-passionate. I'm sure you'll learn more about me as I share. And one of those things is I'm a yoga teacher. Yoga and conscious living can provide you with a framework to connect within, gain clarity, take action that aligns with what is most important to you, and achieve your dreams, goals, and aspirations. The result, a healthier, happier, and more fulfilled you. This is why I believe conscious living is so important and why I believe it's so beneficial and powerful. Conscious living can be a very broad topic. To me, conscious living is about bringing awareness to every aspect of your life from the inside out, making life decisions based on what you want and what truly matters to you, creating a life you love rather than settling for one. Taking the time to think, feel, speak, and act with intention. Intention that is aligned with your values and your heart's truest desires. Everything starts with awareness. Where there is consciousness, there is power. Power to make a positive change or influence an outcome in your life. Power to express yourself, create, and choose for yourself authentically. Conscious living is rooted in a deep connection within and a deep connection to the world as a whole. When you live consciously, you have the power to not only design and create your ideal life, but also choose the way you want to feel about everything and anything. You also have tremendous power with every choice you make, shaping your life one step at a time, influencing the life of everyone and everything you come in contact with as well. A perfect example of the power of choice and how it impacts the world around you is the purchases you make. Every time you buy something, you're casting a vote for how you want the world to be. Because in purchasing, you're supporting what's behind that product or service. When you choose consciously, you can align your choices with your values and what's important to you. Same goes for your life choices. How you want to lead your life, what you want to accomplish, how do you want to show up in the world, what good do you want to share with the world. When you make time for yourself and truly listen to your heart, you're able to make wiser decisions. And when we make wiser, heart-driven decisions, I believe, we become a collective force for good and help shape the world we want for our children and generations to come. My invitation to you is to cultivate conscious living little by little. Small habits can add up to make a big difference in your life and the life of all who surround you. To help you do just that, I've created an 8-day conscious living challenge. I'll share a link for you to sign up in the description of this video. Those who are already members of our community are the first to know, and you'll receive this free challenge right into your inbox. During the Conscious Living 8-Day Challenge, each day I'll share with you a different theme and conscious living practice. If you're curious about the theme for each day, make sure to check out the link below in the description. And my intention with this 8-day challenge is to provide you with quick meditations, yoga, and easy to implement practices that can make a big difference in your life. The challenge is my gift to you. I encourage you to invite your best friend, your partner, family member, or someone you care about and ask them to do the challenge with you. They can sign up in the link in the description of the video. And there's no better accountability than doing the work with someone whom you care about and who cares about you. Accountability and support along the way is key to succeed and get the results or outcome that you want. And of course, you'll never be alone. I'll be right there with you during the work too. If you want to see and experience the results you want in your life, you have to put in the time and effort. I'm going to make it super easy for you to carve that time for yourself. I'm very excited to share life's journey with you this year, and I'm wishing you an overflowing abundance of love, health, prosperity, and happiness in this coming year and beyond. Thank you so much for listening. Before you go, make sure to check that link in the description. And if you're interested in doing the Conscious Living 8-Day Challenge, make sure to sign up. Shift into doing more of what makes you happy and find the fulfillment that you deserve. Please support free yoga by subscribing. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it. Thanks again. See you next week.